It's time for Don and Ron. You won't get this anywhere else.
Oh, hey, how you guys doing? Welcome to another edition of Don and Ron. Don't have Ron with me at the moment, but you know, we're just looking over this beautiful 1945 J-3 Cub that's going to be going to SUNnFUN. I personally don't get the pleasure of flying this bird all the way to SUNnFUN from Birmingham, Alabama. Be about 8 hours of flying, so I want you to come down, see us at SUNnFUN. Just like I say, just doing a few last minute little things to it. She'll be in the AirTech booth. AirTech covering systems, you know, we promote those guys all the time. Love their product, it's really good, as you can see what we got here. But if you want to see it firsthand and see this really beautiful airplane, and if you want to, bring your checkbook, because she is for sale like we talked about. Michael doesn't want to get rid of it, but for the right price, it is going to go away to a new home. So anyway, come down and see us at the AirTech covering booth over there by the 4 Points, right by the main SUNnFUN building. So it'd be kind of cool. This guy will be in the booth, looking beautiful. Look forward to seeing you down there. Probably see me and Ron running around, and we'll catch you at SUNnFUN. Peace out.